Alright, so here is the Nintendo 3DS device, and if we just visually inspect the device, we can see it has two cameras on the front here, and those two cameras actually allow the system to augment reality, which is used in some games, and users are also able to take 3D photos with the use of these two cameras. You got a slider here. That slider is for the volume, and you can see plus and minus symbols there to indicate higher volume or lowering the volume. There are also notches here on the slider. Back here you can see the label Nintendo 3DS, the spot here where the stylus actually sticks into the device. You could slide it out there like that. SD card slot, wireless here on the side. See two more LEDs, one for power and the other one that has a symbol of a plug on it to indicate the AC adapter. These little spots here in the corner allow a thread to be put through here so you could hold the device. Last but not least, we could see that this is the game slot here. And what I like about this that other systems don't have is that you could actually see that there's a game device in here. Some other portable gaming devices don't allow you to visibly see that, so you wouldn't know whether there was a game there or not just by looking at the device. And if we press on it, the game pops out. Just looking at this cartridge, we could tell that this is the front of the game, and we could tell that this is the back of the game. And it has a very unique design and shape to it. Prevents user error, so they don't stick the cartridge in the wrong way, kind of like the floppy example that Norman gave us. So it's actually spring loaded, and it pops in there, slides in there, and so it doesn't fall out or anything. The gaming cartridge actually prevents user error, which is most of the time actually system error from what Norman tells us. If we open the lid, we could hear that it actually snaps into place, and it's pretty firm. I'm gonna be walking around with this or running around with it, and it'll move a lot. But with this snap functionality, that the screen stays in place, so it's not flapping around when being moved. Your fingers kind of rest on the shoulder here, and there's actually buttons here also, a left shoulder button and a right shoulder button, and all these buttons provide pretty good feedback. You can feel it click when you're pressing the button, so I know that if I'm just kind of tapping on it really lightly, if I'm playing a game, if I'm tapping on it and I don't feel that click, then I know that that button's not functioning properly, or I didn't click it. Hold that in, the blue light comes on and indicate the power is on. I just wanted to show you some of the response. And these are the action buttons over here to the right. I believe two of them do the same thing. Oh, he got me. Oh no. Oh, they got me again. Okay, forget it. No? Oh man, I'm losing like all my lives. We're using the buttons in conjunction with each other, so it just has a sort of natural feeling to a controller. Oh yeah.